Hey everyone, let's make a 2D geometrical drawing. And for this, we have to take the center of our sheet. Suppose this is 14.7 centimeter in vertical. So we will take half of 14, that will be 7, and half of 7, that will be 3.5. So 7.3.5 will be our 7 centimeter, 3.5 will be our center from the vertical. Similarly, we will take horizontal center, that will be 20 centimeter 0.8. So half of 20 will be 10 and 8 4. 10.4 centimeter will be our center. We will find the center both vertically and horizontally. Put our compass on that center and let's make a small circle. And after making this circle, we will put our compass on the side of anywhere on the circle, and the pencil should be coming in the center point. The circle should be same as we have drawn in the center, and you can see it again by rewinding the video. Your pencil should be coming in the center point and compass should be in the ending point. After making one circle on the side, we will put pencil in the center and compass on the edge of the circle which meeting the center circle, and we will keep repeating this step and you will see a beautiful satisfying geometrical design coming out. Honestly, this geometrical design are so satisfying in making, and in fact in our school time also we used to make this and we used to try different geometrical designs because it's so good while making. It's a challenging task, and they look so pretty but they are little tricky. You need to understand how to start them, how to make them so symmetrical from all the sides. So you need to study it, that how can we make it so accurate and symmetrical. So this is the last circle we're going to make, and you can see another flower is coming out after making this all the circles. And finally, task is done. Main is drawing here, and here we will outline it with the thin black permanent marker by fixing it into a same compass. So let's just repeat all the steps again, and again you have to be same accurate while making it, overlapping the outlines on it. So let's just do it. After erasing all the pencil work, it will be time to color. Wow! Let's do my favorite colors, alcoholic markers, and you can use your favorite colors. I'm using here sky blue and much more other colors, and you can mix them with different shades. I'm going to mix a blue with green and it will become a sea green in the middle of it, or teal color, you can see light teal color, because we are using sky blue. So you can use pencil colors, will go best in this design. You can use poster colors also, acrylic also, but you have to be that much good in paintings if you want to use that. And you can go for the markers, sketch pens, and pencil colors would be best for coloring a geometrical small designs. So let's just color it. It's really gonna be look vibrant and mixed with colors. Let's see how it will come out. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for watching more videos like this. You can see your whole annual curriculum of your art and craft available for all the classes starting from 1st to 8th. So let's see this one, everyone.